Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you in-depth, honest reviews of the latest tech, gadgets, and home appliances. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Roborock Qrevo series robot vacuum and mop, model QV35A, an impressive cleaning machine designed to make your life a whole lot easier. If you're tired of manual vacuuming or struggling with stubborn dirt and pet hair, this robot vacuum claims to handle it all. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Roborock QV35A boasts an eye-popping 8,000 pH hyperforce suction power designed to tackle everything from fine dust on hardwood floors to embedded dirt and pet hair in carpets. With this kind of suction, you're looking at serious cleaning potential, even for deep, plush rugs where dirt tends to hide. It's engineered to effortlessly lift debris, making it a standout when it comes to picking up stubborn particles that many other robot vacuums leave behind. One of the key features of the QV35A is its advanced all-in-one docking station. This isn't just a place to park your vacuum, it's where the magic happens. The station automatically empties the dustbin into a sealed 2.7 Needler bag, which can hold debris for up to 9 weeks. Plus, it has a 4-ELO water tank for mopping, providing enough coverage for up to 352 square feet. And after every cleaning, the dock ensures your mopping pads are thoroughly washed and dried. All of this means you can forget about manually emptying the vacuum or refilling the water tank for quite some time. Just one less thing to worry about in your busy day. The tangle-free brush system is a real game changer, especially for pet owners or anyone with long hair. Roborock has engineered the side brush to have a 0% hair tangling rate, and the main brush is made from full rubber spiral material that prevents debris and hair from wrapping around it. This is a relief for anyone who has struggled with cleaning hair from traditional brushes or brushes that quickly lose suction due to tangling. Whether it's pet hair or human hair, this vacuum's brush system is designed to stay clean and efficient, figure sec, even with the most challenging of messes. The QV35A also comes equipped with reactive tech obstacle avoidance. This system helps the robot detect and avoid obstacles like furniture, cords, and shoes, so you don't have to constantly supervise it. It also intelligently identifies no-go zones, like stairs or narrow spaces, so you can trust it to avoid getting stuck in places it shouldn't be. This tech makes the QV35A more reliable than many other robots that struggle with navigating tight spaces or avoiding obstacles in their path. For those who want a thorough clean, the dual spinning mops on the QV35A are an exciting feature. These mops spin at 200 RPM, offering a deep scrub that effectively tackles tough stains. With 30 adjustable water levels, the vacuum adapts its cleaning process depending on the floor type, whether it's delicate hardwood or durable tile. Plus, the 10mm lift feature ensures that no wet mess is left behind on low-pile carpets, making this a versatile cleaner for all kinds of floor types. Now let's talk about navigation. The PreciSense LiDAR system on this vacuum is one of the most advanced on the market. This system scans the environment in 360° and maps out your space in real time. It's not just for the initial clean either. This system remembers up to 4 floor plans, so it seamlessly adapts whether you're cleaning one floor or several. This precision navigation is key in ensuring that the QV35A doesn't miss any spots and moves with purpose, rather than randomly bouncing around the room. With the Roborock app, you get full control over your vacuum. You can schedule cleanings, customize cleaning paths, and even manage multiple floor plans. The app is compatible with third-party voice control devices and offers more convenient access to cleaning features. If you're someone who loves having control over every aspect of your cleaning routine, this smart functionality is a welcome addition. But how does the QV35A perform in real-life testing? During my time using it, the vacuum did a great job of picking up dust, crumbs, and pet hair from a variety of surfaces. On hard floors, it glided smoothly, leaving no debris behind. On carpets, it tackled embedded dirt and pet hair with ease, and the dual spinning mops provided a solid, streak-free finish on tiles. When it came to cleaning under furniture, the QV35A was impressively agile. It didn't get stuck or miss corners, and the reactive tech system worked as expected, avoiding obstacles like furniture and cords. When it comes to the vacuum's attachments, the versatility was a standout. The mopping pads cleaned effectively, and with adjustable water levels, it was easy to adjust the moisture depending on the floor type. The automatic pad washing and drying meant I didn't have to worry about them getting dirty and ineffective after each use. Now, there are always a few things to consider. While the vacuum's suction is powerful, there is a slight drop-off in power in high suction modes when the battery starts to run low. This is a common issue with cordless robots and not necessarily a deal breaker. But it's worth noting if you're looking for a vacuum that maintains peak performance throughout the entire cleaning session. Additionally, the noise level is relatively moderate. It's not as quiet as some smaller models, but isn't overly loud either. If you're sensitive to noise, it's something to keep in mind. In terms of value for money, the Roborock Qrevo sits in a higher price range, but when you consider its robust features, advanced suction power, tangle-free brush system, all-in-one dock, dual spinning mops, and smart navigation, it's a solid investment for anyone looking for a truly hands-off cleaning experience. The price is justified by the convenience of the dock, the long-lasting components, and the overall effectiveness in various cleaning scenarios. If you're shopping around, the Qrevo is often compared to other high-end robot vacuums like the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus and the Ecovacs D-Bot T10 Plus. While these vacuums may have similar features, the Roborock Qrevo stands out with its higher suction power and all-in-one docking station that takes care of emptying, mopping, and drying, features not always found in models at this price. When it comes to build quality, Roborock doesn't cut corners. The vacuum feels solid and durable with premium plastics and sturdy construction that should hold up well over time. The dock is well made, and the 2.7-liter dustbin bag is more than sufficient for a few weeks of use. For maintenance, it's easy to clean the brushes and empty the dustbin, but you'll want to keep an eye on the water tank and ensure it's cleaned regularly to maintain performance. In terms of customer support, Roborock has a strong reputation for responsive service, and their warranty coverage is fairly comprehensive. If you run into issues, you can expect a reasonable level of support though. As with all brands, some customer experiences vary. In conclusion, the Roborock Qrevo is a fantastic option for those looking for a powerful, efficient, and low-maintenance robot vacuum. It's perfect for pet owners, allergy sufferers, and anyone who wants a hassle-free cleaning solution that can handle various floor types and cleaning tasks. While it's on the pricier side, the comprehensive features and cleaning performance make it well worth the investment for many households.